Welcome back! In this section, we'll be introducing our first HTML tag. It's called the heading tag. Now the heading tag, and especially the h1 tag, is most oftenly used to display a title on a page. And going downwards from h1 to h6, the headings are becoming smaller and smaller. A really important note about the heading tag, the h1, is a general rule that only one h1 per page should be used. Further note, the last heading tag is h6. There is no h7 and it will only appear as pure text. Now I want you to open up our HTML document once again. So let's right click it, open with text editor, and also open it in the browser. Let's make this smaller. Now you see, we used our h1 for this is my web page. Now let's type an h2. Let's just take this is my web page, and copy it in here. Hit save, refresh the page, and see what happens. Now see, h1 is bigger than h2. Now let's just copy this a few times. Actually 4 more times. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's change this to h3, h4, h5. Well, this is actually also an h4. This is the h5, and this is the h6. Hit save again, refresh the web page, and see, this is getting smaller and smaller and smaller till the h6. Let me just make this a bit bigger. Perfect. Now what would happen if we put in our h7? Let's say h7. Let's take this again, copy it in here, and see what happens. Ctrl S. Aha. The h7 actually takes up the assigned default pixel value of a text for a web page, and it will only be displayed as text. Let's recap. Only use one h1 per web page, and h6 is the last heading tag. That's it for our h tags. See you in the next lecture.